Hi, my name is Tom Scalera. I'm President and CEO of Stanley Steemer of South Florida. I'm here today to talk about an organization that we feel very committed to helping, and that's Piper's Angels organization. Piper's Angels organization is an organization that helps people with cystic fibrosis. The air duct system and the ventilation system in general, the HVAC system, are the lungs of the home. If you want clean lungs, you just can't clean part of it. We clean not just the air ducts, but the entire HVAC system, as well as sanitizing the home. I knew that we can help people.
Piper's Angels Foundation does something incredibly important for families right here in our community. We support children and families facing cystic fibrosis, not just medically, but emotionally and financially too. And for families living with a condition that affects breathing and daily health, support like that can make a meaningful difference. Piper's Angels works to improve the lives of children with cystic fibrosis by helping families access care, support, and resources they might not otherwise have. For families navigating something so challenging like CF, having the right support system and a healthier home environment can make everyday life a little easier and safer. What we do is about giving families hope and helping them feel supported every single step of the way.
At Stanley Steemer, we've been part of this community for decades. We don't just work in homes, we care deeply about the people who live in them. That's why we're proud to support Piper's Angels by providing air duct cleaning and dryer vent cleaning services to families who truly need it. For individuals with cystic fibrosis, indoor air quality matters. Cleaner air ducts can help reduce dust, allergens, and airborne irritants, and properly cleaned dryer vents improve safety and airflow inside the home. It's a practical way that we can use what we do every day to help improve comfort, safety, and quality of life for families facing serious health challenges.
And what really stands out are the people, the families, the volunteers, and everyone who gives their time and energy to support this mission.
Being part of the efforts like this reminds us that real impact often comes from showing up, helping where you can, and caring about the people behind the cause. If you'd like to support Piper's Angels Foundation, we encourage you to learn more, get involved, or support their mission in any way you can. Every bit of support helps families who truly need it and helps create safer, healthier environments for the people they care for every day.